Move the pieces on the outside of the key box puzzle in order to figure out how to open it. If we start off by just figuring out what these knobs do, we may be able to figure out how to open up the puzzle. You can see this one has a slight movement on it. This one doesn't really move at all. This one is completely stuck, and this one just has a little bit of spring action to it. If you look at the front of the box, it looks like it should be able to move, but this piece is actually stuck in place and will not be able to move just yet. To get the key box puzzle for yourself, go click that link in the description. Start by pushing in this knob on this side of the key box and pulling this knob out on this side. Once this knob is fully pulled out, we can flip the box over onto this side of the puzzle box. Make sure we turn it on its side to remove this piece here. You can see there is a pin inside of there that kind of drops in place if we have it the other way. Once we have this piece out, we can set it aside, and we should be able to get some movement on this front plate. Move this front plate up, over, and we should be able to get it to go down. And we can finally remove the front plate from the front of the puzzle. You can see there's a little piece inside of here that moves. This piece here was locking this plate into place. We have a screw right here that we can't unscrew because we don't have anything attached to it. So we have to go to this piece to find the rest of the tool to remove that screw. If we take this piece and we untwist it, we can now use this part to screw it onto that piece. And when we do that, it comes out with a reverse thread on it, and we can remove this piece from the puzzle. Now we're not done quite yet. We still have this piece being locked into place, but if we flip the puzzle upside down, there are 2 gravity pins inside that were holding this piece into place. And finally, take this piece to push this piece and find the hidden compartment. And out drops the hidden token. To buy the Keebox Blue puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.